ago, I was lucky enough to be runner-up on Britain's Got Talent. I was just 8 years old. At the time, I thought that magic was all about shocking and fooling people. But since then, I've realised it's about so much more. It's about inspiring kids like me to be more confident and to make adults feel like children once again.
Aww.
Tonight I want to do something that hopefully will show you that magic can be inspirational as well as amazing. Over the past 2 years, I've been lucky enough to travel the world thanks to Britain's Got Talent. And during that time, I've taken photos with my family to remind me of the fun times that I've had. Some truly amazing memories. Fun times with my mum, first time getting on an aeroplane, sneaking backstage into Simon's dressing room without him knowing. Sorry, Simon.
No worries.
Walking our dog, Hoover. Sometimes the simplest things can be the best. You get the idea. Simon, please touch the back of any one of my photos.
Anyone at all?
Anyone at all.
I'm going to choose that one.
That one?
Yeah. Hang on. That one there.
That one?
That one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'd like you to look at it and hold it close to your heart.
But not show you.
No, don't show anyone.
Oh.
And hold it close to your heart. We'll come back to that in a minute.
Okay.
I've been so lucky to experience these incredible things. So tonight, out of nothing, I'd like to try to create a positive message for everyone. If I can do that, then there really would be magic.
Look how tiny she looks on that big stage.
Tiny.
photo that you chose and let everyone see?
Well, of course.
Ah, that's our dog, Hoover, who has a family we all loved very much. He's a constant reminder to appreciate what you have today, because tomorrow it may be gone forever. This one's for you, Hoover.
Wow, did you see that?
Who cares when someone's time runs out? If the